Success is the ability to go from one failure to another with no loss of enthusiasm. Maintain your passion. It is not enough that we do our best. Sometimes we have to do what's required. Keep focused on meaningful goals. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen, welcome feedback and others' ideas. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Believe in yourself and never give in. Continuous effort, not strength or intelligence, is the key to unlocking our potential. Work hard to get what you want. Every man should ask himself each day whether he is not too readily accepting negative solutions or will challenge the status quo. It is wonderful what great strides can be made when there is a resolute purpose behind them. Sustained effort can get results. Courage is rightly esteemed the first of human qualities because it has been said, it is the quality which guarantees all others. Taking risks for what you believe in often underlies success. Out of intense complexities, intense simplicities emerge. Seek simple solutions. We shape our dwellings, and afterwards our dwellings shape us. Design things well in the first place as the consequence often lost. We have not journeyed across the centuries, across the oceans, across the mountains, across the prairies, because we are made of sugar candy. Politics is the ability to foretell what is going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year, and to have the ability afterwards to explain why it didn't happen. When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber.